Read me, with topic.
Value in homework.
3, 2, 1, go.
Value in homework. The value of homework has been a topic of debate in education for many years. Some argue that homework is a crucial component of learning, helping students to reinforce the material learned in class, develop study skills, and prepare for exams. Others argue that homework can be a source of stress, can detract from family time, and may not be an effective way to learn. Research on the effectiveness of homework has yielded mixed results, with some studies showing a positive correlation between homework and academic achievement, while others show no correlation or even a negative correlation. Ultimately, the value of homework may depend on various factors, such as the age of the students, the type and amount of homework given, and the individual needs and learning styles of the students. In general, it may be useful for teachers to consider the purpose and benefits of homework carefully and to ensure that it is meaningful, appropriate, and not overwhelming for students. In conclusion, while there may be some value in homework, it is essential to consider its purpose, the needs of individual students, and its potential impact on their well-being. Homework should not be seen as a one-size-fits-all solution to learning, but rather as a tool that can be used effectively when designed and implemented thoughtfully.